guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So this video is on how to make a bracelet with rubber bands. And look, I made one before we started this video, and then I made a ring. It's pink. I just made it pink. I don't know why. I just thought of a color and then I made it. Hopefully you guys don't hear the background. It's a movie, but yeah, this is a how-to challenge. So first, let's say you want to make a red bracelet. You're gonna start off with 2. Put it like this. Put this one. Wait, it's not working. There we go. Then you put this on top of this, and then put this one. Should go in. Yeah, like that. And then, if you're only making a red one, you just add another one, and then boom, you're already starting it. And then you just keep doing that. So I'm just gonna keep doing that, and then yeah, see what happens. So I'll see you guys in a second when I actually get somewhere. So I hope you guys have got it so far. So I'll see you guys just in a second. Alright guys, so I've got somewhere a little bit. So again, if you already have it down, you put this one over the other one like that, and then pull the one over that. And then you keep doing that with all the colors that you're doing. And yeah, it'll turn into this, and it'll be really cool. So I'm just gonna keep doing it right here and until I stop. So just gonna keep doing it. So put this one over, and then, well, it's kind of hard to do it like that, but then you put it over like that, and then keep putting it over, and that's how you make a rubber band bracelet. I went to Michael's and bought these about 2 months ago. That's why you saw it in the 4th of July video. This is how I made these. So if you guys want to make these, this is how you make them. And with 2 colors, it's the same thing. So we're making good progress. So yeah, I said I'm not gonna stop from now on, but I have to do a pause because it's gonna be a little bit of a video. So I'm just gonna do like 2-3 bands, and then yeah, you know how I do it. Alright guys, so it's been like 2-3 bands, and we're just gonna keep going. The 2 colors, it's pretty easy, and like just keep doing that. If you want to make a ring, you just do it very slowly. And by the way, at the end, let's see if I can find it. Is that it? Can I find it? Oh yeah. So at the end, you put these little things in, which you just put them in like that. But I'm not done yet, so I gotta take this out. Ooh. It's kind of hard to take these out actually. Alright, so I'm gonna keep it right there, and then when this video is over, I put it through there, and I made myself a bracelet. So yeah, just gonna keep going here. This is my very first how-to video. Like I've never done a how-to video before. But we're gonna be doing a lot of experiments now. We're gonna do them like every now and then, like every week or so, probably, I would say. But some of them are gonna be pretty good, just saying. Some are gonna be experiments, some of them are gonna be just like gaming videos, like, you know how my channel is. By the way, I did change my logo on my, what's it called? My YouTube profile. That is very, very important to me because I actually have an app that makes them, which is actually pretty cool. And I actually like that app, so shout out to you. And whoever comments in this video first will get a shout out. So we're trying to focus like to here and to like right there. So you need to focus to right there, and I'm right here. We're right here, and we need to get like right here. So just gonna keep going. You're gonna see me wearing these a lot too. Just gonna keep making them. These are actually really easy to make. Like very easy. Very, very, very easy to make. You can make them for your dad, your mom, your aunt, your uncle, your great grandfather, your grandfather, your great grandmother, your just grandmother, whoever it's for. If it's like your friend's birthday or your brother's birthday or your sister's birthday, you can make it for them. I've actually made it on my mom's birthday, so okay. We should stop about right there. So yeah, that is how you make a rubber band bracelet. Yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. But yeah, guys, subscribe to the channel notifications and like the video. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, and I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye.